Hello everyone, this is Harsh and you are watching WPF World. In last video you have learned input and output in C Sharp. We have learned how to get the input from user and how to show the output to the user, right, using the write line method. But in this video we are going to learn another method of showing the output, which is write method. Okay. So in this video I will also show you the difference between write line and write method. And also we will learn the comment, how to write the comment in C Sharp, single line comment and multi-line comment. And we will also learn how to color the output, like how to change the color of our output. So let's start it. I will replace write line method with write. Now let's run and see what happened. You can see 10255, right? The byte where value is 10 and 255, which is the maximum value of byte, means both value are appended here, right? Okay, write line method will add the new line after the output. Okay, but in write method it will not add the new line. It will write in the same line, but it will not move to the next line. You can see I have used write method for byte where, so 10 is there and it is not going to next line. Byte max value start writing in the same line, right? So the difference between write and write line method is, so if you can see here, after the write we have line, means write something and go to next line. But in write method it will only write the value. Okay. Now let's see how to change the color of output. So in console we have foreground or background. Okay, foreground color and background color. We can change with that. So how to change that? We can use the foreground color to change the foreground color of the output. We have console color enum where we have color. If you can see here we have black, dark blue. I will select dark blue and let's run. So in this case our output will be in the dark blue color. See, all are in dark blue. We can also change for some output some other color. How to do that? Let's see. I want to change int color output with some other color like red. Okay. And after this line, whatever output is there, all will be in red color. And in between red and blue, it will be in dark blue. Okay. Let's see. See, dark blue and red. In the same way, we can also change the background color. How to do that? We have background property. Here we will change white. Okay. Now what will happen? For every output, the background color will be white. Okay. See, all backgrounds are white only. But here I want to, for int, after the int, I want to change to some other color. I can give green. Okay, dark green. Let's run and see the output. See, all are in green. Before that, we have white. In this way, we will change the foreground and background color of our output. Here, what I wanted to do, I wanted to show same color for welcome to WPF World, but for name, I want some different color. And I also want the output in the same line. How to do that? We can use write method. Okay. And now I have to remove this thing. And again, we have to write one write method where we will have the value. And here I want to change some different color. Where is that? This one, right? Here I will give, we have yellow, and here we will have some different color, gray or dark cyan. Okay, so both will be in the same color, but I wanted to change the name color. So how we will do? We will add color before the write method. Foreground color I wanted to change dark cyan. We'll change to different color, dark magenta. Okay. Now let's run and see the output. I will give the input as Kumar. See, welcome to WPF World Kumar, right? this is in different color, and after that whatever output we have, it will be in same color. But we don't want this, we will have the same color for others, so again we will add this. And we have to add one new line because I wanted to show the message in the next line, right? Now let's run and see. See, I am giving the value as Kumar. See, welcome to WPI word Kumar, and others are in white color, right? Now let's come to the comment. How to write comment in C Sharp. If we want to write comment in single line, then we will use slash. Okay, double slash. This line of code we have commented. If we comment this, it will not process, right? It will not execute. Okay, this is one way of commenting single line. If we want to comment multiple line using this, we have to write this same thing for every line. But we have another option to comment multiple line. How to do that? Use slash and star. And now I wanted to comment till this line. So we have to have star and slash at the end of this. So this line will be not executed if we run this, but other will execute. Now let's run and see the result. You can see here it start from int, right? Means byte and short are not executed, right? This is how we manually add this, but we have option here. We can comment by selecting this and we can click on this. It will comment all the line, but you can see all are having double slash, right? In this way we will comment that. I hope you understand how to write a comment in C Sharp, how to comment multiple line, how to comment single line, and also you have learned the difference between write and write line method. Now let's submit this code to GitHub. So I open the source tree. If you don't know how to use the source tree, then go and watch my source tree tutorial. So I will stage all and I will add the comment, data type, output, and comment code added. Okay, now I will select this push changes and commit this. Now our code is uploaded to GitHub. Okay, if you found this video helpful, then let's share it with your friends.